Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. Today, I'm going to teach you bullfrog on a log. But before we get started, don't forget to hit that like, share, leave me any comments below. And hit that subscribe button.
Come on, ain't nothing gonna bring me down.
Let's go ahead and get started. You're going to start with your weight on your left. You're going to walk forward for 4. So right, left, right, kick your left heel up. Then you're going to walk back for 4, back, left, touch right. Let me show that to you from the side, but I'll do it by the count this time. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I got a feeling, it sure feels good.
Now you're going to do a grapevine to the right and a grapevine to the left. Weight on your left. You're going to step right to the side, left behind, right to the side, touch left. Step left to the side, right behind, left to the side, touch right. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
And it sure feels good, yeah. I got a feeling.
Now you finished out that grapevine left. So remember, you touched with your right, weight on your left. You're going to tap 2 heels forward with your right. So heel, heel, step right to the side, slide left, touch. Then 2 left heels forward, heel, heel, step left, slide, touch. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I'm streaking, waiting out back. Somebody tell me where the party's at. Hey now, the sun done going down. Time to wake up.
You finished out that last section with a slide left, touch right. Now you're going to do 2 heels forward with your right. So heel, heel. You're going to go back with your right foot, tap your toe twice. Toe, toe. You're going to step forward with your right and turn a quarter pivot. Right, quarter pivot, take the weight left. Then you're going to stomp right, left. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll dance by the counts. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thanks for watching. See you next dance.